Star Micronics is very excited to announce our new CUPS driver for Mac supporting Star Cloud Services and AllReceipts. Now all Mac users can easily begin their use of Star Cloud Services with no additional SDKs or integration. The driver install procedure will be the same as previous drivers, only now you will see the Star Cloud Services site upon install. Any printer installed and able to print will be able to connect to Star Cloud Services after registering your business. The new driver will install a utility called Star Cloud Services on the Mac to connect the printer to Star Cloud Services. You can find this by clicking Finder and then Applications. Then you're all set. A QR code enabling Star's AllReceipts digital receipt app will then print on the receipt. Visit Star Micronics or Star Cloud Services FAQ sites for additional help and support.